Good morning, welcome to ACE tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the electrical system of the heart. But before we continue, I want us to know for your heart, we have two types of system, two component system, or two systems are involved when your heart pumps blood. We have the contractile and the conducting system. So your contractile system is involved in contractions of the heart. So when you feel your heartbeat, it's because your muscle fibers are contracting. Then your conducting system, that the one you see on your ECG, the one you see on that lifeline, on those movies, yes, it is your conducting, it shows your electrical activity, which is your conducting system. So it talks about carrying electricity through the nerve fibers of the heart. This is peculiar to the heart, the conducting system of the heart. So what are the components of the conducting system? We have the SA node, SA meaning sinoatrial. We have the internodal tract, internodal, so between, so interhouse spot, for instance, between different houses. So internodal tract between two nodes. So I'll show you. Then we have AV node, AV, atrioventricular, at the junction of your atrium and your ventricle. Then we have your AV bundle, we have your Purkinje fiber, we have the interatrial tract, also known as your Bashmann's bundle. So this is what we're looking at today. So let's start with your SA node. This is your SA node right here. Sinoatrial node comes from two words. We have the sinus meaning vessel. So because it originates sinus, and what's your atrium? So because it originates from your superior vena cava, at the junction of your superior vena cava and at the junction of your right atrium. That is where you find the SA node. Is a very common MCQ question. Your SA node. Then next we have the internodal tract. So between two nodes. So we have the anterior internodal tract. We have the middle internodal tract, and we have the posterior internodal tract. Then next we have the AV node. So it is node because it's a collection of cells. Node, it is quite bulky compared to the others. So this is your AV node right here. Your AV node. Next we have your AV bundle, also known as the bundle of His. So your AV bundle. Then we have the branches. Your AV bundle branches into your right and your left. Then these are your Purkinje fibers. You can see all these smaller branches. Those are your Purkinje fibers. Your Purkinje fibers. Then this last side that feels isolated here, this is your interatrial. So you can see that's connecting your right atrium. This is your right atrium, right chamber of the heart, to your to your left atrium. So that's why we call it the interatrial. So between two atrium. So it is also known as your Bashmann's bundle. That is the name of the man who found it. So basically that is what you should know about the conducting system of the heart. Before we end this lecture, let's go over everything again, looking at the skeleton. So this is the skeleton of the conducting system, removing the heart muscles. So right here we have the SA node. I said the SA node is found at the junction of your superior vena cava and your right atrium. Take note, it's a very common MCQ question. Then we have your we have the internodal tract. So the tract between two nodes, and we have the anterior, the middle, and the posterior internodal tract. So we are talking about the SA node, internodal tract. Then next, the Bashmann's bundle, also has your interatrial, because it's connecting the two atriums together. So this is your Bashmann's bundle or your interatrial tract. Then next we have your AV node. Your AV node right here. Internodal tract connecting your SA node and your AV node. Then we have your bundle of His or your AV bundle. Then we have your right and left branches. You can see them right here. Then we have your Purkinje fibers causing contraction of the ventricles. So that is electrical activity, your heart will stop working. Yes. So before we go, let's take note that what our SA node is also not our natural pacemaker. So it's our natural pacemaker because this is where the electrical activity starts from. So it sets the pace for the heart. So we call it our natural pacemaker. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow us for more. We'll be making a lot of things simple. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.